Hey everyone, my name is Kia and today I'm going to show you guys how I made this Boo Crew shirt or this Boo Crew onesie for my baby. I made him one and I also made my daughter one. She's 1 year old, almost 2. And I'm going to also make this shirt for my husband and I'm showing you today how to make a shirt that looks like this on the Cricut Joy. So yeah, if you want to know how to make bigger words fit through cutting in your Cricut Joy, just keep watching this video. So the shirt that I'm using is the Gildan shirt and it's in a size extra large. And I am trying to figure out what size I want. Like I said, I think this is the correct size, which is about 10 or 11 inches, but I'm looking right here. I want about maybe 10 wide and 11 down, so yes, that makes sense for what I'm going to do today. So let's put this shirt back. So there's plenty of ways to try to figure out what size you should get your image. One way that I realized was a good way for me, since I am brand new at this, I just look for a shirt template. And then I pick one that best represents my shirt. So I just do a classic t-shirt, and it's a unisex shirt. So I just keep it on the men's short sleeve and then I'll do the extra large. And then from there, I change the color because the shirt I'm using is black. We're going to take these lines off to make it look better. And yeah, so I try to go about 3 inches down, or what I think might be 3 inches down on my template, and just see what looks the best. And this size looks really good to me on this shirt, so that's what I'm going to keep. Okay, so now we're going to go down and we're going to get rid of our template. Y'all don't remember how to get rid of the template. Either way, oh, I think this is how you get rid of it. Yeah, so just go down here to the right and you click the eye and it can make it come up or leave. So from there, we're going to take our Boo Crew. Let's see if we can click make it. And we are going to make it with a mat. And it shows you that crew is going to print out big on its own. And then it's going to print out on white on its own. Alright, so what we're going to do is mirror it on a mat. Mirror every single one. Now that we have every single one mirrored, we'll hit continue. And it's waiting on my Joy. And it says it's connected. And then my base material, I already have it for my favorites. It's Everyday Iron-On. But I could see what's popular, or I could browse all materials. But lately all I've been using since I've started is this Everyday Iron-On. So I'm going to keep it as that. Make sure mirror is turned on, which is the shiny side down, which it is. And then I keep my pressure at default. My blade is already in, and now all I need to do is load my mat. So I do want to show you guys the heat transfer vinyl that I use. This is the vinyl sheets that I'm using at the moment. They come in multiple colors. This orange was a really pretty orange that I used on my kid's shirt. It only had 1 sheet of that color. I used it already for both of them. So let me show you the color that I'll be using today. So now what I'm going to do is take my heat press, and it's on 320 for 10 seconds. This is the really large ruler from Cricut. It's the largest ruler. I can't think of the actual size, but I take it and I put it about, with the really large one, I need to put it at the top. Boom. The Boo Crew. This shirt is super cute and it was fairly simple to do. So if you like this shirt, please give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.